In the Cappellini space, the scenography has changed once again. This time, it was the duo Panta and Turon who were responsible for it, and they already have some experience collaborating with this renowned brand. And here, in this new space, in this new ambience, there are objects on display that possess a certain duality of meaning. In other words, the furniture here is presented not only as form, but also as a script for how the future owners of such luxurious and modern homes will live. First of all, let us pay attention to the development of the Uni collection designed by Piero Lissoni. This is modular furniture with a very unusual construction. The unusual aspect here is that the hinged doors are absolutely enormous, and this has been made possible by using aluminium sheets. The thickness is uniform, just 10 millimeters, both on the front and on the body components. Again, this has been made possible thanks to exceptional craftsmanship with the material and the creation of a very unusual joint. Uni is available as wall-mounted cabinets and as a chest of drawers. There's also a bedside table version, a large tall chest of drawers, and you can also combine them with open shelves. All the pieces can be finished with glossy lacquer in various shades. An addition has also appeared in the collection of modular sofas by Patricia Urquiola, which is called Ludo. Here, it's worth paying attention to this remarkable element, which can simultaneously serve as a divider between the sofa modules. And these elements can also be assembled into a coffee table. This sofa group is complemented by a new addition for this season and a collaboration with the Finnish designer Antti Hartikainen. The tables are called junto, which translates as connection or joint. And here we see the joining of two parts, the base and the tabletop. Two heights are offered, as well as two sizes of the tabletop itself. They can be made in various glossy lacquers or have a natural wood finish. And another new item is the sculptural Quado armchair, designed by Sebastian Herkner. The armchair can be upholstered in various fabrics from the Cappellini collection, and it can also be complemented by an ottoman, which has the same silhouette as the base of the armchair. We are already familiar with the oblong bed. The update here is that a version with a built-in linen drawer has appeared. This option is in high demand in Eastern European countries. The dolmen table, designed by the company's founder Giulio Cappellini himself, can now be made in a lacquered version with either a round or an oval tabletop, so that you have the opportunity to choose a complete solution for the dining area from Maestro Cappellini. This year he is also presenting new chairs. This is a three-legged chair, which can be painted in the same lacquers as the dolmen tables and can also have a wood texture, either in a natural or black finish. As for the upholstery, all fabric options from the Cappellini portfolio are available here as well, plus you can choose from various types of leather. When creating Reti-Co collection, Daisuke Kitagawa reimagined the delicate charm of traditional Japanese shoji. As you may recall, these light partitions made of rice paper were, and still are, used in traditional Japanese homes to divide up space. Here, we see this aesthetic reflected on the facades. Moreover, these facades can be finished with fabric, or made entirely from wood. The back panel of the wardrobes can also be upholstered with fabric. Various finishes are available, all preserving the wood's natural texture. The Mathare tables are offered in very similar finishes. This is collaboration with the designer Giacomo Moor. Giacomo Moor is a craftsman, a cabinet maker, and in the design of this piece, we can immediately see the creator's passion. Very striking joints, exceptional craftsmanship with the material. Joe Colombo's 1963 masterpiece, the Combi Center, returns in a limited reissue by Cappellini. This drawer system is available in 3 colors, and since it's a limited edition, only 1 color is allowed per customer. If you're enamored with this piece but have no space for 3 of them, You might prefer the small round coffee table, also by Joe Colombo. The tabletop is made from natural aluminium. The base of the table is also crafted from this material. As for the interior, it can be painted in 3 colors: black, yellow, and red. The Millepiedi table collection by Dimorestudio is also continuing its evolution. The leg design has been slightly simplified, and now a monocolor version is available. This has made it possible to significantly reduce the cost of this piece. If you've ever dreamed of owning such a striking table, you now have the chance to save a little, if that term can even be applied to the Cappellini collection. The red bookcase, which was presented last year as a prototype, is now available to order. Let me remind you, the creators of this piece are a duo from Saudi Arabia of Palestinian origin. The ladies from Rejo Studio were inspired by brutalist architecture. And now this statement piece can adorn your interior. Orkisato from Nendo Studio has come up with quite a contemplative piece. This is the Tastumu vase, which consists of a set of 4 molded ceramic elements that you can arrange in absolutely any combination you like. And of course, we should also mention the new wool rugs. These include Furcada by Giulio Cappellini, which explores form and texture, new versions of the Mondo rugs by Lorenzo Domioni, and Camouflage by François Azambour.